contact us for special internet pricing. Keeler BMW proudly presents this 2009 BMW 328xi with a manual transmission, all-wheel drive, and 21,000 miles. This sedan has a jet black exterior, a saddle brown beige Dakota leather interior with dark burl walnut wood trim, and comes with some amazing features, including ambience lighting, automatic climate control, retractable headlight washers, tire pressure monitor, leather multifunction steering wheel, moonroof, rain sensor, and automatic headlights, dynamic cruise control, cold weather package, and a premium package. The cold weather package consists of heated front seats and fold-down rear seats, while the premium package includes universal garage door opener, auto-dimming mirrors, auto-dimming rear view mirror, power front seats, lumbar support, digital compass mirror, and BMW Assist with Bluetooth system. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax certified. For more information, please call us at 800-474-4197. Keeler BMW looks forward to assisting you with your vehicle purchase.
Call us today to schedule a test drive. We're conveniently located on Route 7 in Latham, New York, just west of the Circle.